Oh, shit. Still zoomed in from the last one. Oh, that's further, fuck. Hello, my name is Here's Jolly, and you have been blessed with the good fortune of watching me say stuff. Be sure to give the... Where was I? Likes! Begging for likes! Be sure to give this video a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And if by the end of the video you decide you hate me and my content is trash, feel free to remove said like, unsubscribe, and leave a hurtful comment to which I can reply with a random emoji to up that engagement rating. Because I don't fuck my haters. I make sweet, passionate love to them. Consensual love, I'm sure. Today's challenge. The can you eat a banana in one sitting challenge. Holy shit, that's a big banana. Fuck! Well, no, I can't. Go get your jollies somewhere else, you fucking pervert. Shit. I'm jolly. I like bananas. They're pretty good. Thank you for watching. Be sure to not die.